The pickup market doesn't need more expensive trucks, overloaded with all kinds of advanced features. It needs something simple, something honest, something affordable, and that's exactly what this Amazon-backed pickup called Slate is about to deliver. It's a game changer that revolutionizes the market with its price and features. So stay with us to learn more about Amazon releasing a miracle $20,000 pickup that could easily become Ford's biggest nightmare. Exterior design. The Slate truck rips up the design rulebook with a bold approach that embraces minimalism in the most effective way. Standing just 69 inches tall with a compact 175-inch length and 71-inch width, this pint-sized powerhouse makes the Ford Maverick look bloated by comparison. Its city-friendly dimensions hide a surprisingly capable utility vehicle that's ready for both urban adventures and weekend projects. What truly sets this truck apart isn't flashy styling, but revolutionary construction materials. Instead of traditional steel panels that dent at the slightest bump, the Slate features cutting-edge polypropylene composite body panels that resist scratches, shrug off minor impacts, and dramatically slash manufacturing costs. These panels come in a standard slate gray finish, intentionally basic to serve as the perfect foundation for personalization. Want to stand out from the crowd? Customization options abound. The truck's appearance transforms completely with affordable vinyl wraps ranging from solid colors to eye-catching two-tone combinations reminiscent of classic 1980s pickups. Wheel options span from rugged steel workhorses to flashy 20-inch aluminum showstoppers, while suspension kits let you raise the ride height for trail adventures or drop it low for street-focused style. Unlike conventional trucks where what you buy is what you're stuck with, the Slate thrives on transformation. Its modular design allows for radical changes even years after purchase. Swap bumpers, add fender flares, or completely reimagine the look as your needs and tastes evolve. This isn't just a truck, it's a constantly evolving platform. Interior design. Forget cluttered dashboards loaded with rarely used buttons. The Slate's cabin embraces functional minimalism with clean lines, intuitive controls, and a focus on what really improves the driving experience. No gimmicks, just thoughtful design. The base model proudly embraces its back-to-basics approach with manual crank windows and vinyl flooring that can handle whatever mess you throw at it. Instead of forcing expensive built-in tech that becomes outdated before your first oil change would be due, the Slate provides intelligent mounting solutions for the devices you already own and love. Your smartphone or tablet becomes the infotainment system, keeping costs down while ensuring you always have the latest technology. Don't mistake simplicity for discomfort, though. Despite its compact footprint, clever interior packaging provides surprising headroom and legroom, while the pickup bed's 5-foot length and 37 cubic feet of cargo space offer genuine utility that matches vehicles costing twice as much. The front trunk adds another 7 cubic feet of secure, weather-protected storage, perfect for valuable tools or groceries. For those who demand more creature comforts, the configurator offers endless personalization options. Splash vibrant colors across interior trim pieces, upgrade to power windows, add custom storage solutions, or transform the sparse standard audio setup with either built-in speakers or mounts for portable Bluetooth options, all added exactly when you want them, not bundled in packages you don't need. Adaptability, the word we've been looking for. While other manufacturers force you to choose between a pickup or an SUV, the Slate seamlessly transforms between both with an ingenious conversion kit that adds a weatherproof roof extension and 3-person rear bench. Monday through Friday, it's your work truck. Weekends, it's the family adventure vehicle, all without owning 2 separate vehicles. This shape-shifting capability extends far beyond basic configurations. At the heart of the Slate experience is the groundbreaking Slate Maker philosophy, a commitment to owner-driven customization that turns passive consumers into active creators. Over 100 factory-designed accessories will be available at launch, with more coming regularly as the platform evolves. The vinyl wrap approach to appearance modification is particularly brilliant. Traditional automotive paint jobs cost thousands and commit you to a single look for years, while Slate's wraps start around $500 and can be changed whenever inspiration strikes, creating endless possibilities for personal expression at a fraction of traditional costs. Through their Slate U online platform, owners gain access to detailed installation tutorials that transform intimidating vehicle modifications into approachable weekend projects. For the less mechanically inclined, a network of certified installation partners will handle the work at reasonable rates. This commitment to adaptability makes the Slate the first vehicle truly designed for changing lifestyles and evolving needs. Whether you're a contractor requiring different configurations for various jobs, a young family whose vehicle requirements change with each new child, or simply someone who enjoys refreshing your ride's appearance regularly, the Slate bends to your life instead of forcing your life to bend around it. Powertrain and Battery. Battery options showcase smart thinking about real-world needs. The standard 52.7 kilowatt-hour pack delivers approximately 150 miles of range, perfect for commuters and city dwellers, while an optional 84.3 kilowatt-hour extended range battery boosts driving distance to an impressive 240 miles for those with longer journeys or less frequent charging access. Both utilize high-quality cells from respected manufacturer SK On. A rear-mounted electric motor delivers a punchy 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of instant torque to the back wheels, pushing this lightweight truck from 0 to 60 in approximately 8 seconds, plenty quick for daily driving while maximizing efficiency. Charging flexibility further enhances the Slate's practicality. By adopting the increasingly universal North American charging standard, the truck gains access to Tesla's extensive supercharger network alongside other charging providers, eliminating the range anxiety that plagues many EV converts. The included charging cable works with standard home outlets for overnight charging or 240-volt connections for faster replenishment. The numbers tell the story. Level 1 charging on a standard outlet adds 2 to 5 miles per hour, enough for many commuters who plug in overnight, while Level 2 options dramatically accelerate charging to 25 to 40 miles per hour, completely filling even the larger battery in 4 to 8 hours. On road trips, DC fast charging at up to 120 kilowatts takes the battery from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes, just enough time for a quick meal break. Online configurator experience. Ready to create your dream truck? Slate's impressively detailed online configurator transforms vehicle shopping from a compromise-filled negotiation to an engaging creative process where you build exactly the truck you want. The system presents countless possibilities without overwhelming users, a delicate balance many automakers miss. The interface guides you through logical decision points: body style, exterior wraps, functional accessories, and interior customizations. Each selection visually updates in real time, letting you experiment with different combinations until you find your perfect match. From subtle and professional to bold and eye-catching. Unlike traditional vehicle configurators that limit you to a handful of factory packages, the Slate system embraces the a la carte approach, allowing precise selection of exactly what matters to you, whether that's upgraded lighting, enhanced storage solutions, or purely aesthetic touches like accent colors and decals. Release date and price. The financial breakthrough that has the automotive world buzzing. $27,500 base price before incentives, potentially dropping to under $20,000 after applying the current $7,500 federal EV tax credit. This pricing strategy doesn't just make the Slate the most affordable electric pickup, it makes it one of the cheapest new vehicles available. This revolutionary affordability comes through intelligent design decisions. By embracing simplicity, using innovative materials, and eliminating expensive but rarely appreciated features, Slate delivers remarkable value while maintaining quality where it matters most. Even with moderate customization, the truck should remain thousands below competing electric options. The production timeline is ambitious but realistic. Manufacturing begins next year at a repurposed 1.4 million square foot former printing facility in Warsaw, Indiana, with customer deliveries to start a few months later. The facility will create thousands of new jobs while targeting production goals of 150,000 vehicles annually at full capacity. The market response has been nothing short of extraordinary. In just 2 weeks, Slate has secured an astonishing 100,000 reservations, with each requiring only a $50 refundable deposit. This lightning-fast accumulation of interest has generated over $5 million in reservation fees and signals tremendous demand for an affordable, customizable electric truck. Behind this bold venture stands serious financial and intellectual firepower. Jeff Bezos provides backing through his Bezos Expeditions family office, joined by Guggenheim Partners CEO Mark Walter and respected venture capital firm General Catalyst. This isn't a flimsy startup, but a well-funded operation led by automotive veterans with the resources to execute their vision. The Slate truck doesn't just represent a new vehicle, it potentially launches an entirely new category that prioritizes adaptability, owner customization, and delivering only what customers truly value. By stripping away automotive convention and rethinking what a vehicle can be, Slate has created something that feels revolutionary rather than merely iterative. But can this innovative approach attract traditional truck buyers who are known as a pretty conservative group that rather chooses proven options, like the Nissan Frontier, for example? Check out this video about the reasons to wait for the 2026 Frontier, which you can now see on the screen. This mid-sized truck is getting a solid pack of updates that will make it even more appealing than it currently is. Thanks for watching and see you next time.